Hi all, welcome to Die.3D Tech YouTube channel. In this today's video, we'll see unboxing of Eken H9R. So this I ordered from Bangalore. So this is the packing I received. Let's open and see what is there. There's a plug here. So this is the box. Okay, so let's open this. Wow. So this is the camera. Okay, and this is the camera in the case, and this is the remote. So this is the remote to take the videos and photos using this switch. Okay, so yeah, pretty nice packing compared to earlier. Now packing is very nice, and this is the case, so we can take some underwater videos also using this. And yeah, so you can see this is what we have. So this is a remote, and let's see what are the things in this one. Pretty nice packing. Yeah, this is the charger. Oh, okay, so this is the charger, and these are some metal cable ties. And some instructions. Okay, very simple instruction, and a lot of mounts. See, this is like a this is one of the case, you can see, and yeah, these are various mounts. Velcro strap. And this time they gave USB cable, so that's nice. So this is the whole thing. So yep, okay, so all this accessories will come with, so depending on our requirement we can use these mounts. Okay, so this is what inside this Eken H9R box. Okay, so let's see so this is our camera, and there will be a cover in this. When you start shooting this, you need to remove this. This is actually my second Eken camera. So the first one I have taken, that is H9, this is H9R. Okay, and I think battery also inside. So let's switch on and see. So it's on, and you can change the modes. See, so you can click here, and by pressing this you can go through the menu. Okay, so mainly we'll be working on this video resolution. So I like to use 1080p 30 frames per second. Most of my videos you see in this only. Okay, so this time I will try this 4K. Okay, so that's it. So you can take 2K also, you can take 4K also, and these are the options. You can take 720p 120 fps. So my favorite is 1080p 30 frames per second. Okay, you can select whichever you want. Okay, so these are the different options. So if you want to do time lapse, you can use this. Okay, and you can set up for every 5 seconds you can take a photograph. So this is a very good for taking time lapse and continuous lapse. Continuously it will take some photographs. So okay, so this is about the version, what version it is. Okay, so you can H9R version 8. So yeah, okay, so this have some cool features. Actually, using this button we can record video and we can record we can take the photographs. So now I inserted memory card in this. Now let's see, I'll show you how this remote will work. Okay, so now memory card is inserted. See, so yeah, you want to use this means there will be a cover here, so that you need to remove. Okay, then it is ready for use. Okay, so now I'll show you. Okay, if I want to record the video, see, it is for photograph. See, this is for the video. See, video start recording. So that using this easily you can start and stop record, and easily you can take the photograph. Okay, that is the cool feature. Every time you don't need to come here and press this button for recording. Use this and take the photos and take the videos. Okay, so that is a cool feature. Other than this, this have an app control also. Even you can control this with app also. I'll show you that. To connect to app, you need to press this button. Okay, not this one. See, it is waiting for the Wi-Fi connection. So when it is here, you can open the app and you can connect to Wi-Fi. So in your phone, just go to Wi-Fi, just go to Wi-Fi. Here you can see this is the iCam, this is the action camera. Just connect. Okay, now it is connected. Now we need to go back to app. See, it's connected. So we just click on this. Now, so whatever your camera is seeing, you can see live. See however it is moving, you can see. So here you can take the photograph, okay, and you can take video also. Okay, so you want to take the video, so now it is in video mode, so it is recording the video. There will be a lag, so like that you can control this with remote control, also with your mobile also. Okay, so these are the features. That's the reason I really like the Econ H9. That's the reason again I purchased the same. Okay, so I will try to take some videos to show you, or else whatever you see next, my flying videos with this Econ only. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.